I just closed a $4,000 monthly recurring contract by replacing a $15 an hour human appointment setter with a 15-cent AI voice agent. This isn't a theoretical experiment or a maybe for the future. It is happening right now in industries like solar, roofing, and high-ticket coaching where the speed of lead response determines who gets the check. If you are still trying to sell basic ChatGPT prompts or generic AI consulting, you are wasting your time and leaving thousands on the table. The real money is in automated voice-based lead qualification. Most business owners are drowning in leads they never call back. They lose 60% of their potential revenue because a human being can't pick up the phone in under 2 minutes, 24 hours a day. I built a system that does it instantly, sounds indistinguishable from a human, and never asks for a day off. Most people entering the AI space are doing it completely wrong. They are trying to sell AI automation as a broad concept. Business owners don't care about AI. They care about two things: making more money and having fewer headaches. If you walk into a plumbing company and offer to optimize their workflow with LLMs, they will show you the door. But if you tell them you can guarantee that every single person who fills out their website form gets a phone call within 30 seconds to book an appointment, you have a client for life. The biggest mistake is selling the tool instead of the result. Another massive mistake is building FAQ bots. Nobody wants to chat with a text bubble on a website to find out a company's hours. They want to talk to someone who can solve their problem. Voice AI is the only way to bridge that gap at scale. Here is the actual method, and I'm going to give you the exact tech stack because most of these gurus hide it behind a $2,000 course. You need 3 things: Vapi or Retell AI for the voice interface, Make.com for the automation glue, and a CRM like Go High Level to manage the data. Step 1 is the trigger. When a lead comes in from a Facebook ad or a website form, that data hits a webhook in Make.com. You don't wait for a human to see the email notification. The moment that data hits, you trigger the AI voice agent. Step 2 is the prompt engineering for the voice agent. This is where most people fail. They give the AI a massive, boring script. Don't do that. You need to give the AI a persona and a specific goal. For example, if you are working with a dental clinic, the AI's goal isn't to explain how a root canal works. The goal is to verify the lead's insurance and get them on the calendar for Tuesday at 2 p.m. You program the AI with objection handling logic. If the lead says, "I'm busy right now," the AI shouldn't just say, "Okay, bye." It should say, "I completely understand, I can be very brief, would tomorrow morning work better, or are you just looking for a quick price estimate?" This level of nuance is what separates a gimmick from a high-ticket service. Step 3 is the knowledge base. You upload the client's specific pricing, services, and calendar availability into the AI's backend. Using tools like Vapi, you can actually sync the AI directly to a Google Calendar or Calendly. The AI looks at the live availability and says, "I see we have an opening at 4 p.m. today, does that work for you?" When the lead says yes, the AI sends a confirmation text and moves the lead to the booked column in the CRM. The business owner wakes up to a calendar full of qualified appointments without ever touching the phone. Let's talk real numbers because this is where the no hype part comes in. A typical human appointment setter costs a business roughly $2,000 to $3,000 a month if they are part-time, plus commissions. They have bad days. They get tired. They forget to follow up. My AI agent costs me about 15 cents per minute of talk time. A typical qualification call lasts 3 minutes. That's 45 cents. To handle 100 leads, it costs me $45. I charge the client a $2,000 monthly retainer plus a $50 success fee for every appointment that actually shows up. My margins are over 90%. The client is thrilled because their cost per acquisition just dropped by half, and I'm thrilled because I spent 2 hours setting up the automation and now it runs on autopilot. The reason this works right now is the uncanny valley has finally been crossed. With the new latency-optimized models, there is no more awkward 3-second pause after the human speaks. The AI responds in under 500 milliseconds. It's fast enough to interrupt and be interrupted, which is how humans actually talk. If you use a high-quality voice clone from 11 Labs integrated into your voice carrier, the person on the other end has no idea they are talking to a machine. And honestly, even if they do, they usually don't care because the AI is more polite and efficient than the stressed-out receptionist they usually deal with. If you want to start this today, do not go out and try to find any business. You need to pick a niche where the lead-to-call time is critical. Think about emergency services, water damage restoration, locksmiths, or 24-hour HVAC repair. Think about high-ticket sales, mortgage brokers, real estate agents, or aesthetic plastic surgeons. These are businesses where a lead is worth $500 to $5,000. If they miss a call, they lose $5,000. That is where your value is highest. Stop playing with cool AI tools that generate images of cats in space. That is a hobby. If you want a business, you need to solve a bleeding neck problem. A business losing leads is a bleeding neck. You are the bandage. Go to Vapi.ai or RetellAI.com right now. Create a free account. Use their sandbox feature to call your own phone. Build a simple script for a fake roofing company. Experience how creepy and amazing it is to have a conversation with a machine that sounds like a person. Once you realize the power of this, you'll see why the old way of doing agency work is dead. The proof is in the ROI. I had a client in the solar industry who was buying 500 leads a month but only talking to about 100 of them. Their sales team simply couldn't dial fast enough. We implemented the AI caller. Within the first week, the AI had contacted 480 out of those 500 leads within 60 seconds of them signing up. Their set rate went from 20% to 55%. They tripled their revenue in 30 days without spending an extra dime on advertising. They didn't care that it was AI. They cared that their bank account had an extra $50,000 in it. To get started, your workflow is simple. First, identify 5 local businesses in a high-ticket niche that have a "Contact Us" form on their site but no immediate automated response. Second, build a demo bot using their company name and info. Third, record a video of you interacting with that bot, calling it, asking it questions, and having it book an appointment. Send that video to the business owner. Don't ask for a meeting. Just show them the result. Tell them, "I built this for you." It ensures you never miss a lead again. Want to try it for a week? Most will say yes. Once they see the appointments hitting their calendar while they sleep, they will never let you turn it off. This is the most direct path to a 6-figure AI income right now because it's based on tangible utility, not hype. The window for this is wide open because most people are still scared of the technical setup. But if you can drag and drop icons in Make.com and write a coherent paragraph for a prompt, you have the technical skills required. The only thing missing is you actually doing the work. Stop watching tutorials and go build a bot that can actually talk. The future of sales is voice, and the future of voice is AI. You can either be the one building the systems or the one replaced by them. Build the system. Go to the AI Income Lab website if you want the specific blueprints for these Make.com scenarios. Otherwise, just get to work. Reach out to a business, show them the value, and send the invoice. It's that simple.